That for Morocco, but so was the pass forward. Rafinha with a bit too much on it. Bouhaddi then takes a chance but shows great confidence against Vinicius Junior. He's back at him to barge him. Well, there you go, the 18-year-old has got... Bruno Guimaraes. Game goes on without him. There is Bouhaddi finding Hakimi. That's the end of the first quarter, and I thought, oh no, here we go.
Yeah.
Each to their own. Bouhaddi. Bouhaddi demanding the ball. And getting it through up towards Hakimi.